Hi guys, welcome back. And on this channel, we sometimes talk about travel, DIY, lifestyle, and budgeting, like this video right here. We're actually going to be doing an unboxing of the coin counting bottle top. So I know on Amazon and throughout YouTube too, I see people with the little mini jars and everything, but I already had my change in a 5-gallon or 3-gallon bottle. So I just decided to pick up the top for it to count the change instead of picking up the entire thing, since I already have the gallon bottle. So let's unbox it and then put it on, and then we're going to count the change. But first, I'm just going to dump all the change out so that nothing will be on when we do the counting. So I'm going to fast forward this part right here. Perfect. So this is the change. This is the bottle. Let's unbox it real fast. And I did purchase this off Amazon, so I am going to leave the link in the description box below, just in case you don't want to get that whole, like, the jug. I feel like the jugs it comes with the jug that it comes with and the lid, it's kind of small for me, and I already have like so much change, so I decided to go with the lid itself. Let me just open it. Let's see if I have scissors in here. I never have scissors, and I always tell myself, bring your scissors and put it in your desk drawer. Okay. It has a stop sign and it wants you to read before using. There is no problem too big we can help. So pretty much call them if you guys need help with it. And this is how it looks. Let's see if it needs batteries, because I didn't even check. So it says to use the plus and minus button, press and hold the button 3 times. So let's see how you turn it on. See, AAA batteries not included. So one moment, then we'll get the batteries real fast. Okay, so I found some batteries finally. Let's open this up. Oh, for some reason I thought it said it took 3 batteries, but nope, it's 2 batteries. Perfect. So now we are at 0. So we can bring that in. There we go. So we're at 0 now. Okay, so this is the top of it. So this is the top of the lid. And honestly, just, I guess it just sits there. Just snap it up. I want to turn it. I don't think it turns. So yeah, it just honestly just sits in there. Okay, so let me zoom back. Okay, so I had repositioned the camera just to make sure you guys can see the coin numbers of it counting. All the coins are down here, so I'm gonna fast forward this part just so, because it's a lot. It's a lot of coins. Just so it goes faster. So here we go. And it's already wrong. I only put 25 cents. back to 0. Okay. Here I'm just going to be putting all of the copper coins inside this cup here. I'm going to count this one off camera, and I'm just going to save all of the copper to the side and not put it in this coin jar, only because it was reading the amounts wrong. Okay, so we finished off a total of $48.57. I'm just going to show you guys, I had to tape the lid to the container because in the beginning of the video I was holding on to it with both hands and it wasn't working out. So taping it made it much easier putting coins inside this bottle. But here I'm just showing you an overview of the money inside of it. If you haven't already, please go ahead and subscribe to my channel and give this video a big thumbs up. Until next time, bye guys.